Hi everyone. Welcome to my podcast show. I am Laura, your favorite host. Today I am going to discuss laptop screen damages that most users encounter. Is your Apple laptop screen damaged severely? You must be wondering how you can repair the screen without investing a lot. I will highly recommend iTech Xpress, a well-known repair center in Covina. This place is popular for its reliable and skillful attempts and affordable charges. They offer diagnostic, repair, replacement, data recovery, security services, and more. With experts' help, you can fix your Apple laptop screen and get top-notch spare parts at great prices. Need their help? Call at 626-777-4747 or visit https://ichexpressinc.com/. That's all for today. I will be right back. Stay tuned.